Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Step over to the left with your left foot and bring your right hand, index finger pointing toward the camera, down slowly as you drag your right foot over slightly. Turn to the left, bringing your right foot over to meet your left foot as you bring both hands near your chest, then move them upward. Put your right hand on your chest and step out with your right foot so that your back is facing the camera as you bring your left arm out and down to your side slowly. Bring your left arm straight out to the left, then bring your right arm over to meet it as you turn to the left, bringing your right foot over to meet your left foot. Cross your arms at the wrists and twirl both hands inward. Pivot on your left foot and step out with your right foot so that you are facing the camera again, and cross your arms in front of you, pushing out slightly with your hands. Then move them out to either side, pushing out with your hands again. While turned slightly to the left, put your left hand on your left leg and bring your right fist in front of your right leg. Bend your knees as you bend your right elbow and push out with your right fist. Repeat this move 3 more times, then turn and do this move in the opposite direction 4 more times. Take 3 steps toward the camera, starting on the right foot while bringing your arms up. Begin turning to the right, bringing your left foot up behind you and your left arm out and down as you hop in place on your right foot. Turn so that your back is facing the camera and take 4 steps away from the camera, starting on the left foot and turning to face the camera again on the last step. Plant your left foot, then put your left hand on your hip and move your right hand straight up with the thumb and index finger extended. Bring your right hand down so that you are pointing to the camera as you lean to the right. Now bring your right hand, still in position, near your face and lean to the left. Repeat part 3. Repeat part 4. Bend your right knee and extend your arms out to either side before bringing them in. Move your arms out to either side of you with your elbows bent and shimmy a bit as you lift your left foot up, then bring it back down, then lift your right foot up and bring it back down. Slide your feet together and extend your arms straight out to either side. Put your hands together, palms facing down, and with your elbows pointing out to either side, move your arms to the left as you bend your knees to the right. Now move your arms to the right and up a bit as you bend your knees further and turn them to the left. Move your arms back to the left and up a bit more as you bend your knees further and turn them back to the right. While facing slightly to the left, kneel down on your right knee and move your hands over your head. Move your hands down to your left knee, then straighten both of your legs. Tilt your head to the right and move it over to the right until you are facing the camera, then tilt it back and stand up. Slide your feet together and bring your fists up to your chest so that your elbows are pointing out to either side. Step out to the left with your left foot and drop your arms in the same direction with your right arm in front of you and your left arm behind you. Now lift your left foot up as you point straight up with your right hand. Bring your left foot down next to your right foot and bring the index finger of your right hand in front of your lips. Bring your right foot up and extend your right arm straight up. Bring your right foot back down away from your left foot and bend both elbows, bringing your right arm down and your left arm up. Lift your right foot up again and extend your right arm straight up once more as you drop your left arm. Bring your right foot down next to your left foot and put both hands on your legs as you bend down. Jump up, bringing your feet apart, and extend your left arm straight out to the left. Slide your right hand across your left arm and chest, then extend it out to the right as you lean back in a clockwise motion. Swing your left arm back in, then step in place on your left foot before stepping back with your right foot. Slide your left foot back as you move your left hand up and out, then down. Shake the index finger of your right hand toward the camera twice. Jump up and end with a pose facing slightly to the left with your left hand on your right side and your right hand on top of your head with your elbow pointing to the left.